That's Vampirella right there. Somebody else there, but against the tree right there is Vampirella. And I am staring down 3 deer that think they're gonna come over here. 50 squirrels, 50 birds, and 20 deer. I just ain't got that kind of dough. Those things just come and they just plow through whatever you got. I'm not gonna just feed every freaking animal that comes through my yard. But Vampirella, yes, I will. I will feed her. And if it means postponing retirement, so be it. So there's Vampirella right there. People sometimes fixate on the fact that I have squirrels, but they don't talk about the birds. It's strange. And I'll say stuff about feeding squirrels. It's like it's just never crossed your radar that I also have about 100 birds. I have way more birds than squirrels. So they just see, I don't know, what they want, I guess, or what they don't want. I love that sound when they all go up. I got my spreadsheet full of stuff and my squirrel sitting there just watching me work. Huh, wonder what she wants over there.
Okay. Let me dig into you.
Meow.
Okay, thank you. Alright, moving down.
We got all the Browns playing here. Pinky and Bobby. Actually, almost all the Browns. Where's Robert Downey Brown? I figured out Robert Downey Brown tends to be held out. Pinky's here. And yeah, that's Bobby with a Y. I just had Bobby with an I come up on the deck. I saw Robert Downey Brown this morning. So he's around. But he doesn't hang with these guys as much. Sometimes he does, but not all the time. He's not as playful. This was one of my first primitive hides. I was like caveman squirrel girl back then. I somehow thought this would help. I mean, yeah, there's little places in there, but it's more like a chipmunk hide than a squirrel hide. So what I'm going to do is build a log cabin here out of these. Okay, not this guy. This is Boo Boo Head, and he's doing fine. But this is Tilty Head, and he's doing worse. But I'm so afraid to give him anything. The time I used ivermectin, too much, didn't make it. And maybe he wouldn't have anyway, but I have no way of knowing. You want to come up? And there's Robert Downey Brown right now. You can tell because he looks more like a leopard. Come here, Robert Downey Brown. He's too shy. Come here, Robert Downey Brown. Come here. Show him your stripes or your spots or whatever. He's so shy. L'Oreal's here on my lunch hour today. I just had a really good view of his cute little face, but he's shy. And here's Tilty Head. Tilty Head, I have a feeling I'm supposed to give you ivermectin for this. Come here. Come here. Is that gotta be? Is that gotta be? Wait a minute, who is that? Oh, is that Tilty Head? Okay. I forgot. You have a hand thing now too. What happened? I just gave you a nut. Is there two Tilty Heads? There's a nut. That's not. Is that a different? Oh boy. That was good. L'Oreal's in here. He eats slow. Just like every animal and human. Certain ones eat faster or slower than others. There he goes. Come here, L'Oreal. Come here, L'Oreal. I've been eating my salad. This one's been over here. Look at this. Totally violating the rule of putting the shells back in the bowl. You want one? Usually they put them back in the bowl, but this one, nah. But she's my buddy. I don't know who she is, but I look over here a lot. And I mean, I must know who she is. I just don't have a name for her. You want another one on your way out? You want something else? What do you want? She wanted one straight from my hand. You want something else? I think she's getting better. This is my friend that couldn't stand on her foot. She had to lay down to open her nuts a couple days ago. Now she's standing, so wow. Wow. If humans healed at the rate that squirrels do, we wouldn't even need doctors. Then again, if we died at the rate they do, we'd probably need a lot more morticians. I used to go to concerts, and about, I don't know, maybe 7 years ago, there were these shirts that everybody would wear. I think I even had one. Come on out, Hand Guy. And Hand Guy, the hair loss looks like he's wearing one of these shirts. I think I can't even remember how it went. It's something like there was something cut out on the arm or something, and that's what he looks like. But he's gonna grow it back. I have faith.